mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 2, 2024, Tuesday Racing, unang karera sa buwan ng July. Starting time, alas 5 ng hapon. May 7 races muli dahil Tuesday group based on time. Para sa akin lang naman po ang GBT o group based on time ay mas unpredictable kaysa doon sa handicapping based system. Race number 1, first choice number 3 Israel, second choice number 2 Carmela's Love. Race number 2, first choice number 4 Thriller, second choice number 1 Hell Guy. Race number 3, first choice number 2 Victorious, second choice number 4 Kipi Taki. Race 4, first choice 4 Margot, second choice number 1 Lucky 222. Race 5, ginawa ko na po itong only choice number 4 Bossa Nova. Race 6, only choice number 3 Doña Leoncia. Race 7, only choice number 6 Success of Time. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!